boy Quan here, and I'm back with another video. So guys, as you can see based off of the title of today's video, what I'm going to be doing is a monkey video. So hopefully this light isn't too bright, y'all. Let me try to wait. Okay, it's just better. Okay. Is the light okay? Okay. But yeah, guys, as you guys can see, I'm doing a monkey video. So I decided to give you guys a monkey video because I was just like, shit, let's just give the audience something that's just like, wow, monkey, let's get them hype. So I was like, let's do monkey. So as you guys may know by now, I was sick. I kind of am still coming down from the cold now. I had the flu. So I am just, trying to get better, recovering, just taking some time to just get myself back to 100%. But yeah, this is gonna be just a little monkey video. Hopefully it doesn't be too long because y'all know how long it takes to edit these monkey videos. So fingers crossed that it's just a quick hi bye and I just be in and out with this shit. Like y'all know how I don't really like monkey. I just do it for y'all. Y'all, like I said before, please excuse me if I look fucking tired. It's because I've been sick and I don't get sleep when I'm sick. So, I appreciate you guys for all of the subscribers, just continuously growing. Like my subscribers numbers grow every freaking day. So I'm just like, thank you guys so much for the love and the support. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, show all of your friends, turn on all post notifications. And yes, let's hop on into this monkey video.
What up?
Chilling, what's up with you?
Not much.
Oh, just like that, in and out. That's nothing to copyright my channel.
Are you gay?
Just a little bit.
No, that mean a lot.
I just want to say fuck Dora. I cannot stand that bitch or her motherfucking monkey. Second of all, she don't know how to act ever since she got on World Star Hip Hop. Third of all, she got a big ass head.
You're a top or a bottom?
Oh shit, what would you say?
Definitely a bottom.
I'm a side.
Do you want to see a strong frog?
The fuck is you talking about? Girl, what the fuck is you talking about? Girl, what the...
Sure.
Yes.
Sure. Okay. Yeah, I didn't even know this ring like switch colors like this. Like I did not know this did this. But it's fine though, so I guess I'll let it do what it's gonna do.
What's up, bro?
Shit, chilling. What's up with you?
Nah, I'm good, bro. Do you play Fortnite?
Yeah, you do?
Let's play.
Okay, bet. What's your at?
Let me tell you.
Okay.
Probably Droice.
Okay. You said...
Which server you play?
You mean like what console?
Which server? East, West?
Oh, East.
East, okay.
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna open the computer.
I don't be playing the game for real. I was just talking.
Do you have a mental illness? And I received you of it.
Huh?
Are you sure you don't have a mental illness?
Yeah, pretty sure.
Are you gay? That's a mental illness.
Oh, is it?
You didn't know that?
Mm-mm.
You want me to tell you, explain to you
Sure.
why it's a mental? No, I'm not judging you or nothing, but it's like, so you gotta understand the meaning of life is creation.
Mm-hmm.
The divine masculine and the divine feminine is needed to make you, because you're a light being. Without that, you wouldn't be here. So, I mean, you can love whoever you want, but you won't be able to create. So therefore, it will end with you. And you will not have kids. You will have to adopt or do other shit. But, you understand?
Yeah, I don't want kids anyway, though.
Right. Well, see, therefore, it doesn't matter. But if you wanted kids, you know, like you understand. You already understand.
Yeah.
But yeah, have a blessed day.
You too. Like, thank you for the history lesson. I didn't ask for it, but I'm so awkward.
Nigger. Yo. Hey, yo, it's a light skin. I mean, the light look at the light. It makes him look like a light skin. But nah, he definitely puts Compler on. Oh, yeah, I fuck with him two-stranded, bro.
Thank you.
Cool.
Yeah. I don't know what to say after that. Like, I'm so awkward, y'all. Like I said, I'm not used to this shit no more. I just think it's because I'm tired and I'm sick. Like, this is not some shit that you get on when you sick. Accelerator.
Oh, he's a streamer.
Oh, he's a streamer. It's crazy.
You, my friend, are gay.
I mean, it's not rocket science. Like, niggas are hilarious.
She's rich. Give me him.
What's up, bro?
Shit, chilling. What's up with you?
Just chilling with my doggies.
It's a boy or girl?
It's a boy.
Okay.
Well, you have a nice day, bro.
You too. He was cute. Damn, when you run that next away, fuck.
Okay.
How are you?
You just say something to me? What's so funny?
Oh no, I wasn't laughing at you. I was laughing at the last dude.
What did he do?
So basically, it was like, he was, you know, a handsome dude, and he had a cute dog, and I ain't been out here in a while, so I didn't know how to conversate with him, and he kind of left, so I was kind of disappointed.
Okay. What was the gentleman look like? What's your type? What defines a handsome gentleman?
Honestly, I don't have a type. It's just, he was cute. Like, he was black, but I don't really have a type when it comes to, like, race or... I mean, he was just cute, I guess.
Okay. And you froze up a little bit. You didn't know what to do.
Yeah, I was just like... And he was just like, okay, well, I'll talk to you later. And I'm just like... Damn.
Okay. Yeah, I'll talk to you later, too, dude.
Shit. Like,
Rondo.
oh my god, this is like the third person that said that. I'm dead.
I'm sorry, bro.
No,
I'm
you're
just
fine.
like, I'm just so fucking bored. Everyone's skipping me, and I don't get it because, bro, like, life's just been so difficult lately. I just want someone to speak to. I come on this app and everyone skips me. I don't know if it's because I'm brown. I don't know if it's because I'm a person of color. I don't know.
No, I feel you there.
And I don't know what's up.
Yeah, they do a lot of things on this shit, so.
Yeah. How's your day been?
It's been cool, just coming down from the fucking flu, so that's, you know.
I feel you.
Yeah, but other than that,
looking neat.
Huh?
Hair looking neat.
What you say?
Your hair looks neat as fuck.
Oh, thank you. This shit kind of old now.
No, it's still drip, kind of.
Thank you. So what you doing out here? Just looking for folks to talk to?
For real.
I feel you. I feel it though, because there's no shit else to talk about.
Are you a girl? Don't lie to me. Don't lie to me.
I'm goddamn saying when these niggas be coming out here like that.
What's up?
Oh my god, y'all so awkward. Like, this shit's crazy.
Oh, what's up?
Shit, chillin'. What's up with you?
Yo, shake them dreads. Good boy.
You got me.
Oh!
Lord, I'm having a heart attack. Damn, this is some scary shit.
Hey! He wasn't expecting me to like his ass.
Hey,
Shit.
yo, your dreads are sweet, bro. I mess with your dreads, bro.
Oh, thank you.
I miss like shake them. That's a good boy.
Fool me once, shame on you. Fool me twice, shame on you again. Because why would you fool me 2 times? You know that I'm easily fooled. Didn't you know that I'm vulnerable?
How I get fucking caught by that shit twice? Like, that's crazy as fuck.
You alright, lads?
Huh?
You alright? I said, are you alright?
Oh, yeah, I'm alright.
Fucking hell, I said no.
Sure.
I don't fucking understand. Am I talking too fast or something? Well, would you like me to fucking slow it down for you, lad? How's your fucking day going, man?
It's good. How's yours?
It's not too bad, you know. I'm a fan, like, bit of work, bit of something else, you know, bit of smoke, aye.
Okay. That's cool.
Nice.
Like, what's about shit? He had the whole damn fam with him, though. Like, that was kind of awkward, but I feel it out.
Yo, what going? What you saying?
Wait, what you say?
What going? What you saying, bro?
Chilling, stay in Georgia. What about you?
I'm doing fine, bro. So where you from?
Georgia. Where you from?
UK, bro.
Oh, okay. How was it up there?
Cool, fam. Cool.
Okay.
What is the cool in it?
Huh?
The weather is so cool, innit?
Oh, yeah.
So wait, so you gay, fam?
Yeah, just a little bit.
How can you be gay just a little bit?
Because, like, it just depends. Like, sometimes I might suck a dick. Sometimes I might, you know. Just depends on the weather.
So you're like a lesbian?
A lesbian?
Yeah.
I mean,
like girls, you also like, you know, dudes, you know, or bi. You can say you're bi. There.
no, I don't like bitches.
So you're straight gay? No. Okay, cool then. Stay safe, innit?
You too. A lesbian is crazy. Like, you don't know the terminology, but it's fine. Shit. You can say shit.
Hi. Wait,
Hi.
Oh, that's so weird. Is it recording?
Is it recording?
Yo, oh hell, listen. Is that a girl? Boy, what the fuck am I looking at?
No, that's not a girl.
Come on, your ass a fucking tranny.
No. Niggas are so weird.
You gay?
Yeah.
Type shit.
Yeah.
I support the gay.
Hey man, support the gays.
Why do you not have boobies?
I should have boobs?
Yes.
Why?
So that straight man can be attracted to you, man. Girl, she, you, her.
Straight men are already attracted to me.
You need boobies.
You wanna see them?
Yes. No, I need boobies, real boobies.
Oh.
Show me your boobies.
Show me your my boobs?
Yes.
I just showed you.
Show me your ass.
Huh?
Twerking.
Bye, friend. Gotta sit up all this far and shit. Like, they be knowing I'll be finna skip and shit because I have to sit up so goddamn far. Okay, what y'all finna do about it anyway. Hellcats. I love them Hellcats.
Hola, mami.
Hola.
Yo.
Yo.
You got shot?
That's pretty cool. You look like a good boy.
Huh?
My bad, bro.
I'm fucking hollering.
Yeah?
No. I don't even know what he said, y'all. I'm so funny. Like, that shit crazy. Why do you clean that mirror off? That shit crazy.
Oh, you're like a gay chocolate bar, man.
I am.
Hey, what's up, nephew?
Shit, chillin'. What's up with you?
Not much. Chillin', nephew.
You working?
Yeah.
Damn. But that money gotta be made, so I feel you.
Boy, gotta be made, nephew. Got some bills to pay.
Mm-hmm.
What's up?
So you just on?
You get to it?
Yeah, just chilling and shit.
Yes, sir, nephew. Yes, sir. Stay out the way.
You too.
Alright.
Nephew's crazy.
But just watching, but the globe goes. After attention, I'm left from city with a low blow. The fun about that, I ain't gonna lie. But like yo, if you don't fly, no provide, that's a low go. And you let his foamies die, he want no slow. Kept on take the button, I see all these seas running. Even fishing on the night, they had no tender dying. Don't be slipping on his side, she's from a repercussions. He was thinking on young Bob until we crank his dumpling. It's two of us at Ford up, watch out, I fall down there. He tripping fell with SLT on his ship bomb now fence. Speaking of your ma, get you a hailstorm. I watch your brother Duff. No, you did wrong. Now you gotta tell his mom how he can make it on fire. Part that part 3 pound broke his bones. And this pup the other side, cause we don't get along. Someone tell nephew come outside so we can get it on. Yeah, don't know what to do when his best friend is born. Oh, stop bitching out, kick.
He sing his ass off. Oh, he riding that shit. Hello.
Hey, what up?
Shit.
Yeah, you like it? You like the helmet?
Yeah.
I made it myself because my dad can't afford any.
Shoot. DIY shit as long as you got one.
I got the camo.
He's freaked up on his bitch. Let's freak yourself. What's up? Nigga, show your asshole.
Wait, I was kind of considering it, like.
Yo, come on.
Yo.
AK-40. What's up?
Shit, chilling.
Shut up, bro. Damn. What's up?
Chilling. What's up with you?
Chilling. What you doing?
Scrolling down my iPad and just on Monkey.
Put it on your iPad. We like. Dude, this kid is a no.
Oh, and some chilling. I don't like chilling, y'all. Yeah, I know.
Why you ugly? Fuck do that picture. Oh, bro.
Okay.
I'm just playing my nigga.
Okay. Still, like.
Yo, Quan.
Yo.
Just give me like a good boy.
Yes, sir.
So this is my
Oh, my girl getting them knotless.
Pussy ass nigga. Blow your shit off, nigga. Yo, blow your shit off. Yeah, put your hands up, pussy.
Ah, don't shoot.
I swear to God, if you pull out your penis, I'm gonna rage quit. What the fuck are you talking about?
Whoa, you said a little zesty.
You can see how I'm sitting?
You said it a little zesty, bro.
You can see how I'm sitting?
Oh, yes, I can see how you said.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, you're a little zesty, bro. You ain't too many Fruit Loops on God.
No, I don't like Fruit Loops.
Yeah, I can tell you gay. You gay? It's okay.
Duh, it's not a secret.
Type it. Be yourself.
Yeah.
Type it. That's not something I do. But like, it's all good.
Yeah, to each their own.
What's up, Doc?
Shit, chillin'. What's up with you?
Just chilling. Where are you from?
Georgia. How about you?
I'm from Montana.
Oh, how is it over there?
It's really cold right now. It's let me check how warm it is. Not that you care or whatever, but it's 43 degrees, which is actually kind of warm.
Yeah, I think it's like 44 over here.
Oh, so not that different. Okay.
Yeah, nah, it's cold over here too.
But you guys don't get snow, do you? No. I gotcha, yeah. Well, so recently, like within the past 2 or 3 years, we haven't been getting much snow either.
Yeah, see, we used to get more snow growing up, but now, like, it's not really much snow anymore.
Yeah, the same thing over here. You ever make it up to Montana?
Honestly, no, I've never been to Montana, like, ever.
Do you travel a lot?
I'd be put up, I'd be in the house. I'd be in the house bad.
Huh?
Yo.
Hey, my friend wants some.
Where you from?
Georgia, what about you?
Yeah. It's one of these.
From America.
Okay.
From Australia, though.
What y'all doing?
Yeah, just chilling. About to go to church.
Amen. Go praise the Lord.
Amen, dude.
What's up, girl?
Shit, chillin'. What's up with you?
I'm about to jump into the fucking camera. You ready?
Yeah, come on.
Side the point. That's a $300 account.
Y'all peek out my legs. Pew pew, it's pink. He mad as fuck. Y'all niggas be hating Vegas for no reason. That's crazy. You been smoking?
Listen to me.
Yeah, as fuck.
What's up?
Hello.
How's it going, dude?
Shit, chillin'. What's up with you?
Drinking.
First of all, I just want to say I love your aesthetic. Like, you're just everything.
Thank you.
You're
Appreciate
welcome.
that.
You're welcome. What you drinking?
Absinthe.
What's that?
It's this. It's essentially it comes from the Czech Republic, and they ferment wormwood,
and so it's like a really strong anise kind of flavor, but it's like really hard alcohol. It's like this is the lowest it gets, and this is like 65%.
Oh.
Yeah.
And that's 65% liquor?
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Yeah, I ain't never heard no shit like that before, but...
Yeah.
And it's from the Czech Republic?
Yeah, yeah.
And you gotta sip that, don't you? Oh, you take it. Okay.
Oh, fuck. Gary, you want to know how I do it? Right?
Yeah.
Ready? You don't love this, ready? I have some finesse with it.
Okay, let me see.
Oh, we don't got it right. Hold on. So you get that, right? And then we what we do is we inhale as we drink.
Oh my goodness. I am
See, that's how you be stunting on them in clubs.
I am thoroughly intrigued.
It's actually really tasty.
I can tell. So, what do you do for fun?
I'm a real homebody. I read. I watch movies and TV shows. That's what I would consider personal fun. For work, I am actually, and I'm not even fucking with you, I am in a rock band. I am the lead guitarist of the semi-popular gothic rock band Dead on a Sunday, if you've ever heard of us.
Dead on a Sunday.
We're pretty popular social media-wise. So
What's y'all song? Let me try to look it up.
Damn It After Dark. You've definitely heard us. I mean, if I show you that song, you're gonna be like, oh yeah, I know you guys.
Damn It After. So I'm talking to like a social, like a celebrity kinda.
Oh, I'd say we're semi-popular.
Shit, wait, y'all shit got a 1.2 million views.
Yeah. Sure.
Oh.
Yeah, we do. Yeah. Again, I'm the lead guitarist. I'm not the lead vocalist.
No, but you still in there. Like, that's good. Well, I definitely gonna give y'all music a listen because, I definitely found y'all stuff. It was nice talking to you, though. You're really cool and you're a vibe.
You too. Yeah, appreciate you.
You're welcome. You have a great one.
You too.
Bye. It was cool. Okay. Well, guys, well, that was the end of this little monkey video. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was extremely brief. It's gonna take a lot of goddamn editing out on this damn video because it was a lot of shit that I wasn't talking about, nothing. So I'm just gonna get to editing this video so I can have something to post finally. What I would say would be my favorite conversation was probably the conversation with the rock band dude. He was cool. He was a cool little vibe. It was surprised that he was on an actual rock band. So I was really fucking with that. Other than that, of course, we talked to our occasional homophobes that act like they didn't know that gay people exist. But it doesn't make any sense. But, yes, guys. Thank you so much for the love and support that I've been getting on my channel. Like I say all the time, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share with all of your friends, turn on post notifications. And, yeah. Thank you guys for tuning into my channel. Have a great one. Bye.